SharePoint group. Again! Don't panic! Here's how to bring it back from the dead, aka recovering deleted SharePoint groups easily. Let's face it, accidentally deleting something important in SharePoint happens to the best of us. One minute you're confidently tidying up, and the next, you're hunting for ways to restore that one crucial SharePoint group that just vanished. Good news! SharePoint has your back, kind of. Check if the ghosts are still around. Before you go full panic mode, head over to your site's group graveyard. Technically, the URL is layout/15/groups.aspx. You're looking for your dearly departed default groups here. If they're listed, congratulations! Your groups are still lurking in the shadows, waiting to be revived. If they're not, you might need to escalate your wizardry, and it's association time! Now that you've confirmed the groups still exist, it's time to bring them back to life. Navigate to permsetup.aspx, where SharePoint lets you reestablish the all-important associations. Fill out the form, selecting the corresponding groups for owners, members, and visitors. Once you've selected the appropriate groups in the form, it's time for the big moment. Hit OK! Don't be shy! With this simple action, SharePoint will recreate the associations, and voila! Your once deleted groups are now restored like a phoenix rising from the ashes.